Hello you wonderful people. Let's unpack my travel makeup kit. Last week, I went to another state with my family. We went there to attend a cousin's wedding. The bride and groom looked absolutely stunning. I forgot to pack heat protection spray. Luckily, found this one and got it delivered. Blinkit and Zepto are a savior in such situations. This is only an unpacking video. I may do product reviews in the future. These are the contents of the first pouch. Let's unpack the second pouch. These are the contour and blush wands. In my opinion, MAC foundations are a great investment. Good coverage and anyone can easily work with them. Apart from wedding festivities, which lasted 5 days, we went to IKEA as well. Bought a few things there. Maybe I'll make a video on that too. I always have trouble drawing an eyeliner. So, on the suggestion of my cousin, I bought this sketch or pen eyeliner. It is definitely beginner friendly. All this stuff was in the second pouch. Let's open the third pouch. I keep the beauty blenders in this mini pouch. This pouch was a free gift. I've already opened the pouch with makeup brushes in it, which is why I couldn't record it. I have kept the clean beauty blender separately from the used ones. These are the final products in my kit. Both the eyeshadow palettes are easy to work with, and this quick fix is a must in my kit. I'll do a review video on it in the future. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.